Any tips for Bryson?
Don't drive like me.
This guy's freaking insane. Holy.
Hey, what's up, guys? We are out here in Barstow. We got Bryson right here.
What's going on, guys?
From Gravel Kings. We have Ben. There's
What's going
Ben.
on, you guys?
What's up, BP? And we got Max, Mad Max over here, literally holding it down. When I say holding it down, I mean like he's actually holding it down.
Yep.
I'm
the counterweight today.
So what we're doing right now is we're pulling off the coilovers. We got those things off. Roy is gonna go through them, make sure that they're ready to go. Bryson, you're gonna be riding with Ty.
Yeah, with Ty today.
Ty really knows how this truck works and maneuvers, and I think you working with him is gonna give you a really good insight
for sure.
with that, you know?
Definitely.
And the greatest thing is Ty's never truly had this truck tuned before, and then to have it tuned by Roy is really, really cool. Yeah. So Roy's in the trailer right now.
Hey guys, Terra Crew YouTube, like it and subscribe it.
What's the update?
We're just over here valving, and we didn't have the springs for the Ranger yesterday, so we're gonna swap some coils real quick. It had some really, really light coils on it. I know everybody likes that, you know, like cool guy, low ride height, but I mean, it's an off-road truck. I'm telling you, the up travel is the key.
Hey, dude.
What's going on, man?
You've been out here a couple times.
Yeah, our first experience with Barstow, Maine was obviously rougher than I expected, you know. I'm excited to see with some of Roy's touches on their truck what it's capable of, you know. So
Right. Well, they'll take this thing down Maine and maybe go to some other spots and
see what she can do.
see what she can do. Open her up. James took the jug to go put some air in the tires. And once he gets back, action. Lots and lots of action. So as that truck's passing by each time, what's going through your head, man?
That he needs to drive faster. I mean, testing's definitely scary because you're trying out a new setup. Sometimes you just got to put the old self-preservation on a shelf and make your peace with God.
All right, you're back. What do you think?
It's 100 times better than it ever was. It feels like right now.
Right out of the box? I haven't even turned any tunes.
It was pretty bad. It feels like you could drive it as hard as you want right now. It's just not mine. The rear lifted once, but
when you started going faster, the rear was definitely hanging a little bit.
Okay.
So I think if we put a little more spring in the rear, that would help the rear tires follow. When the tires are on the ground, the back of the truck is not in the air.
I mean, I was kind of timid because it's not mine, but it feels like you could drive it hard.
Don't be gentle, it's a rental. When you come into something too big and too hot, does it carry the front end? Does it stay level? Does the back come up?
It felt to me like I could drive it as hard as I wanted. My only scare is like a rear wheel falling off.
2 1/4, yeah, 2 1/4 is. I don't like those 2 1/4.
Well, that's what I'm telling you is that's the only thing that
scares
scares me right now.
Okay.
It feels like you could drive the wheels off it.
Literally.
Yeah.
Roy, you don't want to take it for a rip?
Yeah.
Just to know?
Drive it?
I'll go.
I mean, there you go.
Yeah, that'd be good. Let's do it.
Bryson, hop in.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, get a new pair of pants ready. Jesus.
He jammed on the brakes right here, huh?
Yeah.
What'd you think, Bryson?
Bro, this
me.
guy's insane. That was so cool, bro.
Yeah.
He was in control like the whole time, like
Yeah.
it's controlled chaos, dude.
Yeah.
I can't imagine he's doing like 8 hours of this driving.
Yeah,
You know what
right?
I'm saying?
Just
Like
driving that
full
fast.
focus. I could tell that he was testing everything too.
Yeah.
You know, like just by the way that he was driving, he wasn't pushing at full force, but he was just really testing his limits behind the truck itself by sliding, going fast as fuck in the whoop. You know,
But
like-
first of all, going fast as fuck.
yeah.
Any tips for Bryson?
Don't drive like me.
Don't drive
Yeah.
like. Don't drive like. What do you-
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, we're
This is the culmination of a lot of years of practice and doing it, and like a pretty unhealthy disregard for one's own safety. Don't drive like that.
You hear that, kids? Don't be like Roy.
I take it as a great point of personal pride to be able to just hold it wide open in third gear through that corner. And this is one of the few trucks that will do it.
Yeah.
And this one.
Bro, that was cool, dude.
Every time in my head, there's just like two little like demons on a cloud, and it's Jerry Larimore and John O'Libby just being like, do it, do it.
My shoulder angel.
Don't listen to that guy. He's trying to lead you down the path of righteousness. I'm gonna lead you down the path that rocks.
The difference on a truck with a lot of travel, and especially one that works really good, is you can just disregard the lines and everything, and you can just cross over lane change wherever you want. There's a video of Jerry Larimore in our spec truck. I mean, he's just going diagonal through this stuff. Normally, look, you cannot do that. Like if you try to cross lanes like that in most trucks, you're gonna get swapped up and you're gonna crash. 'Cause all it takes is one good side impact, and it's gonna pop you one way, and then it's all over.
Anything we're gonna change right now other than this tire?
I'm gonna look at the front shocks. The rear of it feels really, really good, so I don't think I'm gonna touch the rear.
Dang, that's actually awesome.
The measure of a good setup is that anybody can jump in and drive it, right?
Oh, okay. You hear that? That sounds pretty good, Ronnie.
Yeah.
I like that, man.
Well, I mean, earlier we
Yeah.
had one of the film guys ripping it up and down Barstow, Maine.
Yeah, some bozo. You guys ready to go? Party time!
Damn!
Oh my God! What the? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, Nick Eisenhower. I'm sorry, Darren Parsons, my brothers. I'm sorry, Casey. That's Roy's jump now. Dude, holy. That is a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed today. Roy, how was it to pilot the Jug?
Fantastic. It's always a good day.
Where would you like to take this thing?
Straight down to my favorite place in the entire world. That's Baja California, Mexico.
Maybe some whoops down there with the Jug's name on it, or?
There's a lot of them, from a place called Puertecitos up to San Felipe.
Dang. Cool, guys. So, I don't know, maybe you guys will see the international Jug. Ronnie, thanks for having us out here, man.
no worries, bro.
Good
Yeah,
times with
for
these
sure.
guys. Max holding it down. Where's Max? There's Max. Ben over here crushing it.
Hell yeah,
Bryson freaking spotting, almost getting hit. We're going for freaking mega sends. Just all day. He's the Gravel King stunt guy, bro. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was definitely a good time. Lots of good times to be had in the future with Gravel Kings. We're gonna be working with these guys on a lot of cool projects, so stay tuned. Check out their channel. They got a lot of cool stuff going on. A lot of updates on their Instagram. They're gonna get active on TikTok. Follow us on all those platforms, guys, to stay up on everything that we're doing. Really appreciate your guys' support. All of this helps us grow, helps content grow, helps the scene grow, which helps businesses grow and jobs, gets people into welding, building stuff, and it's all for a good time and for near encounters with death.
Yeah.
Right, Bryson?
Yeah.
Later, guys. Thank you so much.
See ya.
Later.
Later.